Okay.
All right, so here we go. We got a crock pot full of water, a little bit of soap in it because we use it for other things. But let's see what the temperature of it's at. So we're going to check that with a thermometer.
Ok, entonces estamos chequeando la temperatura con este termómetro del agua caliente.
So we got this up here. This melts at 158 degrees, but we got to get it up higher than that. We're at about 185 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ese metal se va a derretir a más o menos 175 degrees.
Okay, so we always keep a thermometer on hand if you do a lot of melting and working with Cerro, because it's important. The pouring temperature of this is typically 180 degrees. We just need to get this up plenty hot so that we can melt the metal. So the water is at about 185 degrees.
El agua está caliente y está más o menos a 185 degrees. Y siempre es bueno tener un termómetro para de esa manera saber la temperatura del agua para que derrita el metal que está dentro de la trompeta.
So this isn't super duper hot, but it's still hot enough to be unpleasant. When I get this going here, sometimes I will apply a little heat. It's always good to just get your torch out.
Es necesario también a veces usar un poco de fuego para ayudar a derretir el metal que está dentro, que se llama cerrobina. Y nos estamos ayudando del agua caliente más el fuego.
So, we don't want to overheat anything. We just want to get it hot enough to where we can get the...
No queremos quemar el metal, solamente queremos...
We want to get it hot enough that it'll pour cleanly.
Queremos solamente que salga todo el metal que hemos puesto adentro de una forma sencilla, sin quemar nada.
Okay, so, there. Okay, so here we just kind of let it go.
Y así es como sale todo el metal que hemos puesto por dentro, que lo hemos puesto para suavizar la superficie de la trompeta.
So now we got a little bit, there's still some in here, so we got to kind of let this get down there. Where did we put that brush at, Ruben? The cable brush?
Here.
Okay. No. That cable brush that...
it's on the floor.
Oh, it's okay. All right. Don't shake that too much.
Right.
Everybody's seasick. All right, so we just take this, it's got a wire inside, brush on the end, toothbrush, just regular sneak, and we'll just take it, push it through.
Nos estamos
just to make sure we
ayudando.
get all of that residual chemical, or not chemical, but material out of there, that Cerro.
Nos estamos ayudando de este cable para sacar todo el residuo que hay de la cerrobina y del agua caliente.
Just want to make sure we get it cleaned out really good.
Queremos asegurar de que todo el metal cerrobina se ha salido de la trompeta.
This it can be rather stubborn as far as you can always have a little bit. It gets sticky in there.
Puede ser un poco terca la cerrobina y a veces no quiere salir, así que nos ayudamos con el agua caliente a 185 grados y con esta brocha larga.
So now we're just running the brush through there with that really hot water, and we're just melting it and just pushing it all out. We can reclaim it all afterwards.
De nuevo nos ayudamos del agua caliente para sacar todos los residuos de metal.
And be mindful because when that hot water, if you're holding onto the bell and that hot water rolls back out here, it's going to make that bell really hot wherever it touches it, and it will burn you if you're not careful.
Y hay que tener mucho cuidado porque el metal te puede quemar.
It's always best to wear, some insulated gloves if you've got them.
Recomiendo mejor usar unos guantes especiales, que ahora no los tengo a la mano, pero los recomiendo. Porque te puede quemar.
I'm just going to push the brush through one more time and make sure we Get all that Cerrobend out of there. I just like to be real thorough about it here. Okay.
Y así es como quitamos el metal.
There you go. It's all emptied out.
Está
And,
todo vacío.
so we're ready to do just some sanding, and this.
Y ahora
this will
seguimos
be really smooth.
al siguiente proceso, que va a ser lijarlo con una banda de lija para que todo se vea como nuevo y suave. Gracias.
There you go.